Hola, I'm Marisol from Butterfly Garden Preschool, and today we're going to make a 10 bar so we can start making quantities from 11 to 19 or from 10 to 19, okay? So, same paper that you have. If you see, this paper has already lines and squares, right? So if you count each square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 together makes a 10 bar. 10 units together, they make a 10 bar. So please, I want you to color with a green marker each 10 bar. Then you cut them out. I already cut them, so I have my 110 bar, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And 10 tens make 100. So, watch this. They look like, huh? Yep, it's gonna be 100 square later, but right now we're doing the tens. Okay, we need the other ones that you made, the short bead stairs, to make the teens. Perfect. So let's start. 10, 10, and 10. 10, 10. That's a 10. Now, I want you to pay attention because in English, the teens, when you say the number, for example, 13, what do you hear first? Third. I don't hear a 10-3. No, we don't call it 10-3. But that's why we have to be very careful with the teens, because you think when you put the beads together, the 3 goes first, but the 3 doesn't go first. The 10 always goes first, okay? There is always a 10 hidden in each of the teens. So watch. Open your eyes wide open. Next, it's 11. How do we make 11? Let me cut 11. 11 has 1, 1. But if you put 1, 1, makes 2. So let's think. What do you see here? Yes, a 10. And then this is a 1. So you put a 10 and a 1 together, and it makes 11. Let's count. You already know this is a 10. But if you want to count them one by one, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So a 10 and a 1 makes 11. I'm going to put them here. I'm going to show them later. Next is 12. How do we make a 12? So 12, again, 12, see? 1 and 2, if I put a 2 and a 1 together, and if I count, guess what? 1, 2, 3. It makes 3. It doesn't make a 12. So, cha-cha-cha-chan. Remember, 10 and a 2. Yes? A 10 and a 2 makes 12. Perfect. Next is, oops, sorry, it's just the camera. 13. 13. You need what? Yes, a 10 and our 3. A 10 and 3 makes 13. Wow, we're doing our teens. Next is 14. How do we make 14? Wow, you guys know how to make 14. A 10. Ay, where's the 4? Ah, here's the 4. A 10 and a 4 makes 14. Next is 15. How do you make 15? You need a 10 and a 5. Together makes 15. Well done. I'm going to show you our teens when I'm done. Let me take this away. Next teen is, what comes after 15? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Where is the 16? Oh, here it is. 16. How do you make 16? A 10 and a 6. 16. Awesome. Next teen. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 17. How do you make 17 with the golden beads? Yep, we need a 10 and a 7. Here is a 7. Together. 10 and a 7. And next teen. 18. And an 18. The same. Ah! I cut them together. 10 and 8. Perfect. Next and last teen. 19. How do we make 19? Yes, a 10 and a 9 makes 19. So here are all the teens. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Good, huh? That was awesome. Now, after you put your teens together with your homemade beads, you can play games with your parents. For example, you know what I do? Each number, I fold it. I fold it. I fold it. I fold all of the numbers and I mix all of the golden homemade golden beads. So when you have them all folded, you put the papers in a little container like that, and then you close and you shake, and you or your mom and your dad, whoever is playing with you, takes one paper out and then they look at it. 15. And if they put the beads together the right way, that's a point for them. So let's see. 15. How do you make 15? I need a 10 and a 5. 5. Which color was 5? 5. Well, if you don't remember the colors, you can count each. Let me count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ugh, that's not a 5. That's a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give me 5. High five. 5. 5, 5. So, 15, I need a 10 and a 5. That's a good way to learn how to put the teens together. And next time, we're going to put more numbers together all the way to cha-cha-cha-chan 100. Okay, guys. And if you want to practice with paper, so the same way with the short bead star, so I just write the number 10, and with the markers, kids, they have to, or you can trace the 10 bar, 10 units together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bar, and then the other unit. So when they color it, they have to color the 10 bar green, and for example 11, okay, so the 11, it's a 10, it's a 10 and a 1, and they color the 10 green and the 1 red. And then they trace the number on top as many times as they can, and they can make rainbow numbers, and they just practice and have fun learning. Hope you like it. Yes.